Here are some of the best investment lessons that you should learn. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So first you got to start early. I wish I knew this one. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compounding. Oh man, if I could just have learned one thing more when I was young. Even small amounts can add up over time if you begin early. Second, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets to spread out the risk. Diversification helps protect you from big losses in case, one investment doesn't perform well. Third, be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't panic during market drops and try to take time. Don't try to time the market. Okay, stick with your strategy. Let your investments grow over time. Okay, even the professionals fail. Fourth, do your research. Before investing in anything, make sure you understand it. So whether it's stocks, real estate, cryptocurrency, do your homework, to make informed decisions. Lastly, you got to keep learning. The world of investing is constantly changing. So reading, learning, staying updated on market trends to improve your skills and make smarter choices is a must. And if you found this information helpful, leave me a like. I love you.